Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Black Knight for title search and property research detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Black Knight login page. Locate the login fields at the center of the page. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation options available. To initiate a title search, find and click on the title search option in the menu. Input the necessary property details in the designated fields. This may include the property address, owner's name, or parcel number. Once all information is entered, click the search button. The system will retrieve relevant information based on your query. Review the search results carefully. If additional details are needed, utilize the filters to refine your search. For property research, locate the Property Research section in the menu. Click on it to access a variety of research tools. You can explore property history, tax information, and market trends. Select the specific data you wish to analyze. Download any reports or documents if necessary by clicking the download link. When you're finished, remember to log out of your account. Navigate back to the top of the page and click the Logout button. This ensures your session ends securely. Close your browser once you have logged out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.